Halo semua, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Time goes so fast. Tak terasa kita sudah berada di semester genap. Materi kali ini sangat pas karena kita baru saja menikmati liburan semester ganjil. Tujuan video kita kali ini adalah Ibu ingin kalian bisa menceritakan pengalaman liburannya. Tapi jika pengalaman liburan kalian kurang menyenangkan, kalian bisa mengingat kembali pengalaman liburan yang unforgettable. Namanya juga pengalaman, berarti kegiatannya sudah lewat kan? Itu bisa saja terjadi yesterday, 2 days ago, last week, 2 weeks ago, last month, last year, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, or a long time ago when you were a kid. Nah, karena kegiatannya sudah berlalu, berarti kita menggunakan keluarga past tense. Kalau kalian lupa dengan keluarga past tense, kalian bisa mengingatnya kembali di video Ibu yang ke-1. Dan kali ini Ibu akan banyak menggunakan past simple atau verb 2. Di video Ibu yang kedua dan ketiga, Ibu sudah banyak menjelaskan tentang verb 1, verb 2, dan verb 3. Let's recall some verbs which is commonly used in past experiences. Menurut bentuk ke-1, ke-2, dan ke-3, kata kerja itu dibagi menjadi 2 bagian, yaitu kelompok kata kerja irregular verb dan kelompok kata kerja regular verb. Irregular verb itu adalah tidak. Ir artinya tidak, tidak beraturan. Sedangkan regular verb adalah kata kerja beraturan. Dan silahkan lihat contohnya di bawah ini. Dalam teks kali ini, Ibu akan menceritakan pengalaman Ibu ketika pertama kali berkunjung ke Baduy. In this text, I would like to tell you about my experiences when the first time I visited Baduy. Baduy is one of my dream destinations since a long time ago. And last year, my dream came true. My friends and I decided to choose Baduy as our hiking destination. We took some pictures too to make it easier to develop our hacks. Here is the full text. Hiking to Baduy Dalam. It was on January 10, 2020. My friends and I decided to go to Baduy as our hiking destination. Actually, we had planned it some years ago, but we cancelled it many times. We read and watched some articles about Baduy, so we could decide what to prepare and when was the best time to go from Majalengka. We bought and packed the things which we considered them important, such as kinds of clothes, shoes, sandals, some foods and drinks. We also prepared our personal needs like first aids, raincoat, because January is a rainy season in Indonesia, and flashlight because we know that Baduy people reject any kinds of modernization including electricity. We went from school at 9 p.m. by minibus. We came over at mini market for a cup of coffee at 11:30 p.m. Then we continued our trip again. We arrived at Ciboleger, Lebak, Banten at 4 early in the morning. Ciboleger is the last station we can use transportation because there is no road access for car, even motorcycle to Baduy. We took a bath and had breakfast there. After that, we took some pictures in Ciboleger landmark. At around 8 a.m., we started our hiking using raincoat because it was raining. You can see from the video, it is Baduy Luar. And start from this place, modernization is rejected. The houses are very traditional. It is made of bamboo, wood, and dry coconut leaves for the roof. We walked on stone path, but it was only about 500 meters. The rest was clay path. Can you imagine the clay under the rain? Yep, it was sticky and slippery. Some of my friends slipped and fell down a few times.
Halo guys, ketemu lagi. Kita akan mulai perjalanan. Inilah sebuah kampung di Baduy Luar. Salah satu kampung di Baduy Luar. Dukuh Ketub 1.
The view along the way was amazing. I had never been in this beautiful place before. Everywhere was clean, no plastics. The air was so fresh, there were no pollution at all. The water flowed near the houses. It was so clean that we could drink it right away without cooking it first. I loved this place very much. We passed some villages. The size and the model of the houses were same. No house was bigger than the other. We rested at Huma House. It is common for Baduy family to have a house in their farm. After we hiked for about 7 hours, we arrived at Cibeo. Cibeo is one of Baduy Dalam. The people hold their tradition tightly. If they break the rules, they believe something bad will happen to them. Cibeo villagers live very isolatedly and traditionally. Taking photo is forbidden. We took a bath in the river there. Some were in the Pancuran. There were no toothpaste and soap because they believed those things could damage the environment. We prayed Zuhur and Ashar in one of the villager house. We spent the night there. Baduy wife prepared our dinner. The menu was with omelette, salty fish, and traditional sauce. It was so delicious that we had just arrived from a very long adventure. It was so cold because the wall was made of bamboo where the breeze air could in all night. At around 3:30 a.m. I woke up. I could not stand with the chill, so I lit the fire. Early in the morning we prayed Subuh. After that my friend and I went to the river to bathe. There were many Baduy wives washed and took a bath too. Then we had breakfast. It was always amazing to have meal in Baduy Dalam, although the menu was very simple. Oh yeah, since yesterday we had durians. Baduy land is good for durian. We could find durian along the way. Of course we had them too. The taste was so sweet. We did not communicate with villagers there because it is forbidden except some important questions. After we said goodbye to the owner of the house, we hiked back to Ciboleger. Everybody enjoyed the trip. We bought kain Baduy, palm sugar, honey and other Baduy products. We hoped we could visit Baduy later in the future. Mudah bukan? Nah, sekarang mari kita lihat analisis tensesnya. I'm sure it will be easy and simple. Kalian sudah lihat kan tadi? Ibu banyak menggunakan present simple tense. Mari kita lihat kalimat yang ibu buat tadi ya. Sengaja ibu memberi tinta merah pada verb 2-nya supaya jelas terlihat. Yang pertama, my friends and I decided to go to Baduy. Yang di dalam kurung kita kesampingkan dulu karena itu adalah kalimat tambahan. Kalimat utamanya, my friends and I decided to go to Baduy. Subjeknya my friends and I. Verb 2-nya decided. It's clear, isn't it? Kalimat kedua, actually. Actually-nya juga bisa kita kesampingkan dulu. We had planned it some years ago. Oh ya, yang ini bukan past simple ya, tetapi ini adalah past perfect tense. Kita bahas di video berikutnya. Yang ketiga, we cancelled it many times. Subjeknya we, verb keduanya cancelled. Kalimat keempat, we read and watched some articles. Oh ya, untuk read itu termasuk irregular verb dan kebetulan tulisannya sama, read ya. Tapi sebagai verb ke-1 ini dibaca read, tetapi sebagai verb 2 dan verb 3 dibaca read. Jadi kalimatnya we read and watch some articles about Baduy. Subjeknya we, verb 2-nya read dan watch. Kalimat yang terakhir, we could decide what to prepare. Verb 2-nya adalah could. Walaupun di situ ada kata decide, tetapi yang kita buat verb 2 itu adalah auxiliary-nya, yaitu could. Jadi kita memilih could, bukan can ya. We could decide. Sedangkan decide-nya kembali ke verb 1 kalau auxiliary-nya sudah menggunakan verb 2. Dan berikutnya, when was the best time to go from Majalengka? Ini juga irregular verb, yaitu was. Bentuk be yang kedua adalah was. Sedangkan ke-1, kedua, ketiga adalah is, am, are. Jadi kita menggunakannya was, bukan is. When was the best time to go from Majalengka? Sangat simple bukan? Apapun subjeknya, mau they, we, I, you, she, he, it, tetap verbnya itu verb kedua. Tidak ada s, tidak ada es, tidak ada to, tidak ada ing. Tetapi kalian harus familiar gitu ya dengan perubahan kata kerja tersebut. Okay? See? It's very easy, isn't it? Because when we use verb to, we won't be confused with as, without as, or es, just like in present simple tense. Ketika kita menggunakan verb 2, subjeknya apapun, itu selalu verb 2. Berikutnya, Ibu juga ingin kalian bisa membuat satu teks about unforgettable experiences. It could be hiking, or visiting other places, or making something with your mom, with your dad, or doing a project with your friends. Dan jika ada foto, itu bisa membantu kalian untuk mengembangkan teks kalian. Selamat mencoba ya. Okay, please leave question or comment below. Thanks for watching. Tetap sehat dan semangat ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.